I'm Ella, and this is my partner Alex. And today we're going to be doing a STEM activity based on statistical analysis using M&Ms, the candy. The appropriate grade levels for this activity are 6th through 8th grade, as this is when statistics and probability enter the curriculum in the state of Louisiana. The standard goals are to summarize and describe distributions and overall patterns, which is what we're going to be doing today with M&Ms.
For this activity, you'll need 3 packages of M&Ms, a calculator, and a piece of paper and a pencil. On your piece of paper, you're going to want to make 6 columns and 6 rows. So then you're going to want to have your candy color, your package 1, package 2, package 3, your total column, and then your percentage column. And then in the rows underneath the candy color, you're going to want to have your brown, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. To start off, you'll take your first package of M&Ms and empty them out onto your clean surface. And what you're going to do is separate them each by color and put them underneath package 1 by their individual color. So your brown, blue, green, yellow, all of your colors in this first package row. Okay, now that we've counted all of our M&Ms and we've put them in a chart, we're going to move our first batch of M&Ms out of the way just so we don't get them confused with our second bag. Now we're going to take our second package after we've moved all of our first M&Ms out of the way so we can empty these out and count them as well, and we're going to put them in the column under package 2 under each of the colors. Now we'll move package 2 M&Ms out of the way so we have a clean surface for our bag number 3, and we'll do this one more time for the third package of M&Ms. So now that we've counted our third package of M&Ms and we put them in our package 3 column with all of the colors, we're going to take our total column and add up all of the colors we've had from each package for all the browns, all the blues, all the greens, yellows, oranges, and reds. So then we have all 3 packages of colors in the total column. So now that we have the total column filled out per color, we're going to add all of our total column together so we know how many M&Ms there were between all 3 packages regardless of color. Now let's calculate the average percentage of each color. So what we're going to do is take our total number for each color and divide it by the number of the total M&Ms. So, for example, our group had 23 brown M&Ms, and there were 169 total M&Ms from all 3 packages. So if you were to divide that, you would get 0.136 or 13.6%. Once you have all of your percentages, you can look through your data and ask yourself some questions. So, which is the most common? For ours, it was orange at 31.3%. Which is the least common? Ours would be green at 4.1%. And you can ask yourself if there's any that have the same frequency. Our closest were brown and red at 13.6% and 14.7%. If you wanted to add extra questions or steps to this activity, you could always complete the activity with more bags of M&Ms to make your statistical analysis a little more accurate because you'd have a better representation. Or you could do this activity with different kinds of foods like Skittles, jelly beans, or Fruit Loops.
In statistics, how often an event happens is called frequency. In this activity, the events investigated were different M&M colors, and their frequency was measured by counting their numbers within the package. There was some variation from package to package, so your common or least common colors may be different than ours. To make sense of this activity, it helps to understand the importance of statistical analysis and prediction. It's the collection, analysis, and understanding of data. We use it in a lot of other different fields like medicine, psychology, and even marketing. In this case, probability allows us to predict in better ways than just by guessing at random. Some different careers that relate to this activity include a math teacher, where you would deliver lessons to students and help teach them mathematical skills. Another career could be an accountant, where you would collect and analyze data to help businesses make financial decisions for their future. Or even a data analyst, who collects and stores data on sales numbers, market research, and even logistics. Some other ways you could practice this activity at home would be many free online math games that include probability and making statistical analysis, or you could even go for a walk in nature and count the number of birds and squirrels and dogs to make predictions for it in the future. We hope this activity provided a fun way to think about statistical analysis and probability. Thank you. And now your M&Ms double as a snack.